In this video, we'll look how you can create a responsibility widget which can be embedded on your website. Let's assume you want anyone to create a ticket from your website. All you have to do is create a widget that you can cut and paste into your website. To learn more about widgets, please watch the Widget and Public Forms demo. In this example, we'll create a public return request form widget. From the setup, I'll go to the Fields, Forms, and URLs menu and select Case Creation Widget. Here, we can see any existing case creation widgets that have already been created. To create a new widget, we'll go to the Widget Setup Wizard. First, I'll define the fields to include in the form. By default, a few standard system fields are shown. I can reorder the fields by hovering over and dragging it to a new position. Other standard fields, custom fields, and forms can also be added. Additional settings can be set for each field. Hovering over the field, I can either remove the field from the form, or I can edit the field to change how it is used. Here, I can define whether the field is required, hidden, read-write access, and a custom label. I can also define style attributes such as color and background for the field. Since this is a product return request form, I'm going to rename a few of these standard fields. I'll use a custom label for case name, changing it to product name. I'll do the same for description, changing it to reason for return. Utilizing the UI tab of the page components, I'm able to completely customize this by adding tabs, grouping fields into sections, adding additional sections, or adding static text and images. Once I've finished creating the form, I'll go to the next step. Here, I'll define a name for the widget. I can also specify whether or not a receiver file will be used for this widget. Receiver files are used for advanced implementations of widgets on external websites. For this widget, I will select that I do not want to use a receiver file. When this is selected, I need to specify the width and height that the widget should be displayed as. Additionally, I'll choose the workflow and status I would like all cases created by this widget to be included in. I can also define defaults for case name, project, and priority if these fields are something that will not be selected in the widget form. When I'm finished, I'll click Finish to create the widget. Responsibility then provides me with the HTML code to paste into my website. I can view the same code for any widget by simply clicking the HTML code link. From now on, any changes to this form can be made in seconds or minutes without having to do any changes to my website. Changes like adding fields, reorganizing fields, adding descriptions, adding rules for field dependencies is all maintained with no programming, no file uploading or downloading. This has been Setting Up Widgets with Responsibility. Thank you.